Hi, I'm Kevin Boyle, Wood Magazine, and I'm going to show you about a shop project we're doing coming up in issue 185. This project is a project that we actually got the idea from, or the design for, from a reader. His name was Conrad Kuhark, and we actually purchased the design idea from him. It's been a few years back actually, but what we did is we took his idea and stayed pretty true to what he originally sent in. I mean, we made some minor tweaks of some hardware that we wanted to change out and such like that, but pretty much the design he sent in, this is what you're going to see here, and I'm going to kind of take you through it. First off, the project, what we did is we made this out of pretty much all sheet goods. It does require a few pieces of hardwood, but mainly you're going to be picking up some birch plywood at the home center, and you can accomplish this. One of the nice features about this cabinet, it's got plenty of storage. You can see here a bank of 5 drawers, and an interesting thing about these drawers is we actually use some hardware that you may not be familiar with. That basically the drawer side and the slide are all a component you can purchase. It's kind of a neat thing. I'll turn this around here a little bit. Basically, you're taking a flat piece of plywood and it's just mounted directly to the slide with screws. It's pretty slick. It can be adjusted up and down. It's got lots of adjustment for the slides and centering your drawer faces in the opening. But it's kind of a neat way. I mean, if you're going to do the slides, this drawer side comes with it. You need to cut a bottom and you're going to need to cut a back. It could be plywood as well, and then you're done. Another feature of this project is that it has a flip-up workstation. And basically it's kind of held in place with some screen door latches there and some simple hardware and a couple knobs that allow you to slide the leg down, and you just lock those back in place and you got yourself a pretty sturdy work surface. Another neat thing about this is it's countertop height, so you can match it up to your counters. I mean, you can adjust your caster height by adding blocks or taking blocks away, and then maybe you want to have your table saw butt up to this. It could be an outfeed table. So endless uses. Your imagination basically is the only limiting factor. One more thing I wanted to show you on this, kind of I wouldn't say it's hidden. When that table's up, down below here, we made use of some pegboard. Just your regular pegboard, and we can buy pegboard hooks at the home center, or you can get fancy ones from mail order sources. But what this does is give you an area to maybe hang some clamps or some tools that you would use, when you were typically working with this. And obviously, you can, again, kind of customize this area with whatever you want to hang there, to suit your needs. We really enjoyed building this, and I hope you take a shot at it as well.